आता खबरो विस्तारान मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकारान बिरेस्तारा राज्य अर्थसंकल्प विधानसभेत सादर केलो। 2018-19 वर्साचो मुखेलमंत्र्यान अर्थसंकल्प सादर केलो। एका ल्हान भाशणांत तांणी अर्थसंकल्पाचे म्हत्वाचे मुद्दे सादर केल्यात। अहवाला प्रमाण ह्या वर्साचो राज्य अर्थसंकल्पाचे मूल्यांकन 17,123.28 कोटी रुपया आसा। फाटल्या वर्साका ह्या वर्साच्या अर्थसंकल्पांत 6.84% वाढ आसा। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I rise to present the annual financial statement for the year 2018-19 with a small statement. Speaker sir, with all humility and with the support, prayers and well wishes of not only honorable members of this house but lakhs of my Goan brothers and sisters, including leaders of various communities, religion, I stand before you in this august house with a renewed strength and confidence to present the annual financial statement for the year 2018-19. Sir, my health status has prevented me from preparing a detailed budget speech outlining the achievements, policies and new schemes of our government. However, by the end of financial year 2017-18, I would be implementing in parts the new schemes as well as measures for revenue generation which demand for grants for the year 2018-19. Sir, I take this opportunity to present in brief the budget and fiscal profile for the year 18-19. The total gross budgetary expenditure works out to be 17,123.28 crores as against the budgetary estimates of 16,027.01 crores for the year 17-18, representing an increase of 6.84%. Out of this total estimated expenditure, 11,795.40 crores is towards revenue account and rupees 4,216.25 crores is towards capital account. Sir, the estimated receipts for the year 2018-19 is rupees 13,664.95 crores as against 12,578.88 crores. Estimated for the year 17-18 showing an increase of 8.65%. The state-owned tax revenue, including state share of central taxes, is rupees 8,257.25 crores as against rupees 7,351.32 crores estimated last year. The state share of central taxes for the year 2018-19 is whopping 2,979 crores as against 2,544 crores revised estimate for last year, representing an increase of 17%. The non-tax revenue is expected to be 2,869.33 crores. This year too, a revenue surplus of 144.65 crores is estimated. The details of the allocation of major sectors made in the budgetary estimate are attached. Sir, this year would be the year of employment. My government has given stress on generating local employment by providing nearly rupees 548.89 crores in the sector of industry, labor, employment and information technology.